Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. What is the capital of Libya? Tripoli. Tripoli is the capital of Libya. How many Muslim countries are currently member of Group of 20s, G20? Three countries. Three countries are the member of G20. Three Muslim countries are the member of G20. One is Saudi Arabia, second is Turkey, and third is. Where was the world's first underground railway system built? London. World first underground railway system built by London. The world's largest land animal is African bush elephant is the world's largest land animal. Which country is the world's largest producer of cobalt, a chemical element? DR Congo. Congo is famous as the producer of cobalt. The famous explorer Christopher Columbus was by nationality. Christopher Columbus belonged to Italy. How many pairs of ribs in the human? 12 pairs of the ribs in a human. Ga is the symbol for which element? Ga is the symbol of gallium. Gallium at normal temperature, at normal room temperature, is a liquid. Old Town Square is located in Prague. Old Town Square is located in Prague. B&D is the intelligence agency of B&D is the intelligence agency of Germany. Liquids that conduct an electric current are called electrolytes. Liquids that conduct an electric current are called electrolytes. How many member countries are there in the Shanghai Cooperation Organization? 9 members of SCO, Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Mahi Peninsula is located in New Zealand. Mahi Peninsula is located in New Zealand. Winnipeg Lake is located in which country? Winnipeg Lake is located in Canada. Churchill River is located in which country? Canada. Churchill River is located in Canada. Name of the currency of Germany is euro. Which of the following is known as Bird's continent? South America is known as Bird's continent. Kimberley, a town of South Africa, is famous for Kimberley, a town of South Africa, which is famous for diamonds. Name the first woman Speaker of USA Congress. Nancy Pelosi is the first woman Speaker of US Congress. Nancy Pelosi is the first woman Speaker of US Congress. Times Square is located in New York. Times Square is located in New York. Which country is called the land of morning calm? Korea. South Korea is called the land of morning calm. Which country is called Dragon Country? Bhutan. Bhutan is called Dragon Country. Which of the following country is known as Horn of Africa? Yeah, Somalia is known as Horn of Africa. China has the world's largest railway system. Largest railway system. China has world third largest railway system. It is the second largest country in the world by area. China. Second largest country in the world by area. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Kindly share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.